Hey people, welcome back to another one of my videos for San Andreas. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to how to get how to kill the ammunition gun store owner. So I will show you how to do that. But right now, I'd just like to take some time out to say thank you for all of stuff that's been happening. Thank you guys for saving enough money and stuff. Because I'm gonna want to start having donations going to SCFD for new fire trucks and all that crap. I'm just doing it for them, but this is just my second video, so who knows what crap I'm talking about. But remember, like, subscribe, and I'll show you how to do this. So, go up, even though I'm not going to. You go on that marker, buy a weapon, whatever weapon you got. Mine favorite is Tech 9. Aim. Let's shoot! And he's dead. But, what do you know? I'll come up to him and I will show you the aftermath. Dead. Collect weapon. Go. Now, get out as fast as you can. Go, 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 go. Yes, I'm only doing this with one hand, because this hand has to be available for the camera. But, just remember, people, as soon as you go, even though right now I have the never wanted cheat enabled in the infant ammo, just what you say. Whoa, you ain't supposed to see that. But what you do is, even if there was police on you, get on any vehicle that you drove in, run, get to an unknown location where the popos cannot find you. Like, for this case, let's hope you don't have 3 stars, but this is a spot that they cannot find you. I just want to put this out, and this is not the location, perfect location. This is the location off of Just Business. But you come over here, shoot over to this side. Like, I'll show you what I do. I come over on this side, find the nearest exit after I get out of this. I get out of that exit, and then I roam the streets after my wanted level's clear. So, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Crap, this video is going to take long to upload. 1078 for all units for a stolen vehicle. The vehicle is a Buffalo. Holy crap.